Hey guys, welcome back to Liv's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Rice Krispie treats. Let's jump right on into the video. So you're going to put your pan on low heat and you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter and you're going to let that melt down. So you'll see it start to melt and you want to start browning the butter because that adds an extra depth of flavor. Once it gets a little brown like that, make sure your heat is a little lower and go ahead and add in your tablespoon of vanilla and then add 10 ounces of your marshmallow. If you need to lower the heat, go ahead. I actually turned my heat down because it was so hot. But now I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on again. Make sure you're stirring your marshmallows so they do not stick. At this point, I'm going to add in a few little turns of salt, just for another extra depth of flavor. Now, once you get to this point and you see no more lumps of marshmallow left, it's all melted, you're going to start adding in your cereal. And you're going to want to start doing this quickly so that it doesn't dry out. The second cup, third cup, So now at this point, like I said, you want to move quickly. Go ahead and spray your pan with some cooking spray or butter, you know, whatever you have on hand. And go ahead and add in the Rice Krispies. This will definitely be a messy job. I'm gonna go ahead and use a plastic spatula because it seems to not stick to that better. Now a trick for if it starts to stick to the pan before you get it in to the tray to shape it, just go ahead and heat the pan up a little bit more and it should come out again. Now you could just go ahead and cool these down and slice them up and eat them as is, but I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle them with some chocolate. I'm just gonna melt a little bit of chocolate in the microwave. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle some chocolate over. You can add as little or as much as you want. I just melted up some semi-sweet chocolate chips with a little bit of milk, just so it drizzles better. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some sprinkles to them. I only have Christmas sprinkles right now, as either this or rainbow sprinkles, but I chose this because we're close enough to the holidays. And then you just let this cool. and a perfect Rice Krispie treat. And now we're gonna go ahead and try it. So good. Very gooey. Perfect. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.